it's the Crap Goth. My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're going to get. Today is a Miniso unboxing and it's a blind bag that I picked up this afternoon from my Nottingham trip with my daughter. So if you want to see what I got, please do stick around and find out. Oh, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because that really helps me too. Let's see what we got in this. Hey, so today has actually been a really good day and I have been to Nottingham, so I don't really get to go out of the house very often. I have actually done Miniso unboxings before. Now these are blind bags. I have no clue at all what is in it. It's not a sponsored video. This is my own money that I have spent. Previously I have had my daughter and also one of my best friends pick me up these blind bags because I just don't really leave the house. But today I actually went shopping with my daughter and I did get a giant Miniso bag. So this is the biggest one they do. They did 3 different sizes, all different prices. I think, don't quote me, I think it was about £15, £20 and £25, something like that. This is the £25 bag, down from £35, and it's got Sanrio written on it. So anybody who knows me, anybody who follows this channel knows I absolutely bloody love Sanrio. I have tattoos of Sanrio characters and everything. So my favourite Sanrio characters are definitely the little twin stars, My Melody, Hello Kitty and KORI. So I'm really hoping there's something of those in this bag. My little girl's favourites, excuse me, she quite likes Pom Pom Purin actually, and then she likes all the same ones that I do as well. So, blind box, literally no idea. It is sealed, as you can see, completely sealed, like it says Sanrio on both sides. Now, as we were walking through Nottingham, I did actually bump it against a wall and I heard a bit of a clunk. I was like, ah! So hopefully there's nothing broken in there. I'm actually really hoping for a plushie, obviously. But one of the things I'm hoping for is a tumbler because I do actually like the big tumblers. I did see a little Twin Stars tumbler and I was so tempted to buy it, but it was a toss-up of a tumbler and a teddy or a blind bag. And this is a video, so I'm going to do this blind bag right now and get this open and see what is inside. Okay, so it's not very heavy, like I can hold it up with my fingers, but I'm hoping there's something really cool inside here. I think the blind bags are definitely the best ones because you don't know what you're getting. As you can see, it's completely sealed. Oh my god, I don't even know if I can open this. Oh my god. There we go. We are in. I'm not even looking, so you guys. Look, I can't even see in. You can see before I can. No, right, okay. I haven't even looked in because that completely blocked my view. So, okay, looks like there's a big tray in there. Okay, so that's probably what the clunk noise was. Right, so first of all, let's see what we've got in here. So, put my hand in and I have got... Oh, this is so cute. So this is a mouse pad and it is Hello Kitty on a unicorn. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely adorable. Just look at that. How beautiful is that? There's the back of it with your little mouse. That is lovely. So anybody who has seen my studio tour, yes, I know I'm not in my studio right now. I'm actually in my living room again because it's been really hot and the studio is like a frigging oven. But my studio, my YouTube studio, is all Sanrio. I've got a giant Hello Kitty gaming chair, Sanrio stuff literally everywhere, and it's full of dolls because I love dolls. So yes, Hello Kitty features in my YouTube studio. This is going to go on my desk. It is so absolutely adorable. I love it. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is a really good start. Okay, the next one is, this is a big one you would have seen. This is a Sanrio characters little desk caddy. So, oh my gosh, I have a lot of washi tapes. So I can keep my washi tapes in this one. There we go. That is so cute. So who have we got on there? So we've got Hello Kitty and My Melody. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That's actually a really deep basket and it's quite thick plastic as well, which is really cool. This is really nice. I will definitely be able to use this as well. So I will say now, anything that I can't use or won't use, I'm going to put away for Christmas for my little girl because she again is a Sanrio fan as well. So it kind of works out really well. But so far I'm going to keep both of these because they're perfect for my YouTube studio. Right then, next one is, okay, it is a, oh, it's a Sanrio character. It's a clip. It's a little Hello Kitty clip, look. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely adorable. So it's like a little kind of like bulldog clip. That is lovely. That is really sweet. Again, I'm probably going to keep this one only because I think my little girl can't really use this. But that is adorable. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love Hello Kitty. This is so cool. Right, okay, oh my gosh. Oh, we have something for travelling, which is really good because I'm just about to go, say just, but in about a month's time, I'm due to go to the Harry Potter studio tour in London. So obviously I'm packing my things ready to go there. And this is a Hello Kitty little kind of spritz bottle, which is really, really, really cute. So you could use this for all sorts. You could use it for plain water, just spray your face if you get really hot. Maybe better put some perfume in there. I don't really use perfume because of my asthma. You could use that for all sorts really, but it is a spray bottle. It's not really, I mean, I suppose if you've got like the really watery hand sanitizer, which is what I use, you could also use that as well. Let's pop it in, a little spray bottle. But it's really, really cute. That is absolutely adorable. How cute is that? I'm loving the Hello Kitty range. Like, this is all Hello Kitty so far, which is absolutely brilliant because I don't like Pom Pom Purin or Pikachu or Bad Smearoo or anything. So I'm hoping none of those are going to feature. But if they do, I'll just gift them away anyway. I do gift a lot of things, by the way. If I buy blind bags and I don't use it, I gift them out to friends, I gift them out to my daughter, and I just put them away for people for birthdays and things like that. So nothing ever gets wasted or just stored. It's really cool. Okay, the next one is, what is this? Oh my gosh, so these are phone ring holders. Oh my gosh, and again, it is Hello Kitty, which is really, really cute. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, they are beautiful. Now, actually, my phone, I'm filming on my phone at the moment, and I actually can't use these at the moment. So these will become gifts because my phone case already has an inbuilt kind of ring holder with a stand. So these actually I can't use, sadly. So these are going to go away for Christmas, and some lucky person will get them in like their little Christmas box. But they are absolutely adorable. They really are cute. I like those. They're really nice. I'm going to put them over here because they're to be gifted out, which is cool. The next thing is, oh my gosh, okay. So these are Hello Kitty sticky notes. Now, I think I'm going to give these to Ostara because my little girl Ostara, she's only 6 and she loves writing little notes and she sticks them everywhere. She's got a sticker wall in her daddy's garage, which is really cool. That's his gaming room. And she just goes and sticks stickers all down this sticker wall, whether it's from school, the dentist, whatever. And I think that she will really like these. So there we go. They are really, really cute. So you've got a little train, you've got a lunchbox, there is a little little candy jar, some pencils and a tree, and of course Hello Kitty herself, which is really, really nice. I think I'm going to put that away for Ostara. So I'm going to put this to one side as well. So I think she'll really, really like that. Okay, there's something soft and I think it might be a towel or a flannel. This is Pikachu. So Pikachu is a dog. He reminds me a little bit of a really, really cute Snoopy. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, he's a cute character, but he's just not one of my favourites. So this probably will be gifted out to Ostara as well, because she actually does like Pikachu. Now, this is Pikachu, should I say. This is really, really soft. It's like a really round kind of, it's not even a towel. I wouldn't say it's a towel because it's really small. It's too big to be a flannel, but it's just so super soft. It's got a little hangy thing on it. It looks a bit like a ghost, which is actually really, really cool. But she'll be able to use this in a bath or whatever. So this is really cute. So this is going to go to Ostara just because it's so super cute. What does it say it is? There, I got the little Pikachu label, look. And this is, did it say what it is? Do you know something? You know you're getting old when you have to squint, like I'm supposed to wear glasses and I don't. I'm like, what does it say it is? It says, oh, it's a hand towel. There we go. So it's a little hand towel. So that will be gifted out to Ostara because I think that is actually really cute. Well, I definitely won't use it. Right, and the next one, I saw ears straight away. So no, immediately this has got to be a cinema roll. And it is. So I really like cinema roll as well. In fact, I have just, oh, my ring light's gone really dark. In fact, I've just been onto the Build-A-Bear website. I haven't even told my husband this. I've been onto the Build-A-Bear website, and they are doing the Sanrio range at the moment, and I absolutely love the KORI. Oh, little fella. KORI and also the Cinnamoroll. The Cinnamoroll one, it has got like a candy corn. That's what I was looking. A candy corn kind of colouring. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I did actually order it. And also half price, there was a Pokemon t-shirt as well with Mimikyu and Pikachu in orange. So I'm going to have a Halloween Cinnamoroll. I do actually collect all of the Sanrio teddies as well. So I have got quite a lot. I'm just missing Hello Kitty. I don't have her yet. But this is a little Cinnamoroll purse. Now, obviously, I've got a wallet. It's really big. This will probably go to Ostara as well. It's so super cute. This will be great for her little pocket money, which is really, really nice. Again, it's got all the little Miniso labels on, all the little tags, which is great. Always look out for these, by the way, because this shows that it is official if you get this little holographic label. But that is going to go to Ostara, and it is really, really cute. Okay, just got a couple more things left in this bag now. It's nearly empty. See, nearly empty. So there is no plushies in this one, but I'm really happy with the stuff I've got because it's things I can actually use, which is cool. Okay, this next one is... Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is a stationery set. Oh, this is really, really nice. So it looks as though you get a little booklet here, another little clip, and then some like little sticky notes. How beautiful is that? That is absolutely gorgeous. That is really, really nice. Again, I will be keeping this. I do write letters. I do write notes. I can use stationery. I absolutely adore stationery. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. And I love the fact she's holding like a little strawberry, which is really sweet. I love the holographic writing as well. I think it just looks so pretty. Another one I'm definitely going to keep. This is a really, really good bag. And we've got, I think we've got one more item. Yep, one more, and then the bag is completely empty. And this is, it's a Cinnamoroll cutlery set. Oh my gosh, no way. Look at that. That's a case. I wonder if it's got anything else in there, like a knife or something. So this is called a flatware set. I've never heard that. We call it cutlery. That's random. But there is a Cinnamoroll spoon and fork. And yeah, and it looks so it's got like some kind of like metal storage tin for it as well, which again is really cute. This is going to go to Ostara. Absolutely. I went to Miniso before and we got a Pom Pom Purin spoon. And so she's got that and she eats it like with her breakfast. Well, she uses it. She doesn't eat it with her breakfast. She uses it with her breakfast all the time. She absolutely loves it. So I think these will definitely go to Ostara, which is really cute. Cinnamoroll is actually really cute. Did you know? So I thought Cinnamoroll was a rabbit. Actually, in fact, apparently it's a puppy. I'm like, who knew? Well, probably everybody knew. And just for those people who are watching, did you know that Hello Kitty is not a cat? Which is something that shocks so many people. Hello Kitty is a little girl from London. She's not a cat. She has a cat, but she is not a cat, which confuses so many people, which is cool. It's just a cool little fact. I remember seeing it on telly going, what? How? But it's true. It's really cool. So yeah, that's really cool. So in this haul, we have had the Cinnamoroll cutlery set, which is going to go to my little girl. We've had the Cinnamoroll purse, which is going to go to my little girl. We have had the Pikachu hand towel, which is going to go to my little girl. Also, the little sticky notes, again, my little girl, which is really cool. There's the little ring holders for the phones. They're going to be gifted out. I don't know who to yet. Somebody will get it for Christmas in their little Christmas package. We've had the stationery set, which I think is adorable, and I'm definitely going to be using this. Love that. Also, the little travel spritz bottle, which you can use for whatever you want, really. It's absolutely gorgeous. That is really cute. I really do like this, and I probably will use this. And we have had the little clip as well, the little stationery clip. Pull that closer so you can see. Super cute. There is the mini version of this in the stationery pack, which is awesome because I will use these. You can peg photographs up with these on string. You can use them on clipboards, all sorts. Really cute. If you wanted to, you know, you can even use it as a hair slide. I've done that before. They're really cool. And of course, we've got the box. I think this is my favourite one actually because this is really handy for storing all of my stationery in, and I have a lot of stationery, which is cool. Again, super pretty, really, really nice design, super sturdy, really thick plastic. This is going to look gorgeous on my desk. And finally, obviously, we got the mouse mat, which is, quite frankly, flipping adorable. Oh my gosh, just look. That is so nice. Now, if my little girl saw that, she'd be wanting it, but she doesn't have a mouse. It seems silly giving it to her just for the sake of it, when I can actually use this in my studio. It's ever so pretty. You know something, even if you didn't actually, you could actually put it on your wall with some sticky pads, because it's so beautiful. So yeah, that is my mini Miniso haul. My mini Miniso haul. I think next time I'm going to go with a little bit more money and try and get a couple of bags, just so you can like see the difference between them. But that was absolutely brilliant. I love Miniso. I went in literally for the first time today and I was absolutely in love with everything. Like, if I'd had a lot of money, I would have bought so much more than I actually did, but I didn't have a lot, so opted for the bag. One of the things I really wanted, and I kind of hopefully really will get it, like I said earlier, it was the little twin stars tumbler, because I absolutely loved that. I thought that was beautiful. The little twin stars are my favourite, but they had so much in there. If you haven't been to Miniso, please do go. It's this absolutely beautiful shop. They sell so many things, from plushies to, like you see there, cutlery as well, to lots of drinks things, to travel pillows, and they did makeup in there, literally everything. There is so much. They even had a Japanese food section in the corner, which was full of snacks. It's absolutely brilliant, honestly. I really loved it. We went to the one in the Victoria Centre in Nottingham, which was only very small, but it is really cool. I couldn't film, sadly, because it was so busy. But yes, there we go. That is my little mini haul. I absolutely loved it. What was your favourite item? Have you been to Miniso? What is your favourite thing to buy from Miniso? If you've ever been, what's the biggest thing you've ever bought? Because there are some teddies that are like this big. They are huge. My daughter, she went with me and she fell in love with the travel pillows. I think they're meant to be for children, but they like really squishy, almost like a memory foam, and they felt so nice. But I don't think she actually bought anything. She was very good. Oh, I will tell you one thing actually. I did actually buy a couple of things. Well, I bought one thing actually. I bought myself a body puff when I went in. This is something else I did actually buy. It's got like a little character on it. They came in different colours and this was the cutest one. So I like this one. And they also gave me for free. They just randomly said, would you like a free dog lead? I'm like, yeah, please. I have 3 dogs. So they gave me a dog lead as well, which has got clouds on it, which is really cool. Yeah, which I thought was like, that was like a really nice surprise. And they were running a prize draw as well. If you spend £25, you can fill out a form and then you can potentially win, I think it's £50 worth of products. So of course I entered that as well, which is cool. So fingers crossed on that one. But there we go. That is the end of the Miniso haul. It was really nice. Really love everything I got in it. If you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you know every time a video goes live, which is roughly every 3 days. My videos are so random. You like literally don't know what I'm going to do next, so please do stick around. We've got some spooky Halloween stuff coming up as well, which is really awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment down below what was your favourite item, and hopefully I'll be back soon with more Miniso. Yay! See you later. Bye bye.